I got the most expensive Lego. Oh my god. The first box. Never ever come empty-handed. So, because once I sold this one, I sold. So, I took this short. Very big thanks to Wakar. Alright guys, welcome in the new vlog. And in today's vlog, we are going to do something different than usual. Listen, usually it is a normal day in the year, but you need to understand one thing. For me, the years are a bit different. And for me, the new year just started. And no, I'm not talking about normal new year, since at the end of the day, when we're looking at the time, it is currently 3 February. Alright, so it's the 3rd of February. For me, the new year is about to start, and I'm talking about business years. So what do I mean with this? It's very simple. I divide my years every time in 3 months. Why I do this is very simple. People always like to set goals for the upcoming year, and they will never actually do it. Why? Because from the beginning of the year until the end of the year, it is quite some time. So what I do is I do it a bit differently. Every single 12 weeks, I start a new year, and this is called a business year. Why do I do this? Again, to put the urgency on the goals. And with this, I am going to set a few goals. That is why you see one of these ones here. So, as you guys know, I'm not a very big car fan. But at the end of the day, I have my driver, I have an S-Class, and I'm fine. But at the end of the day, I was like, you know what, I need to have something for fun as well. But I need to earn it. And I think that a good business year, this thing is a good thing to actually pay myself with. So I was like, okay, every business year that I have, I would literally make sure that the only thing on my mind in that business year are the goals that I want to work towards with. So I got the most expensive Lego one. This is a special edition Ferrari one that I'm going to hang up above my desk. You will see that later in the vlog. And again, I'm just going to constantly brainwash myself into this idea. So what did I do? I went to Montblanc and I got a special edition Ferrari pen. One of the most expensive pens. Special edition again. I got a Ferrari Montblanc notebook, and this is going to be my goal, okay? I have several goals in the upcoming 12 weeks that I'm going to live by. Every single day that I wake up, these are the things that I will think about and work towards. And yeah, I'm just going to take you guys with me. The girl from the Lego shop said, listen, people build this one in a week. It is currently 12:30, okay? 12:30. And I said, you know what, I will just do it in one night or one day. I don't know if my mouth was too big, but challenge accepted. And of course, guys, there's pressure now. Because if I don't reach the goal, I'm not allowed to get it. But now because I already posted it, I will need it. So more pressure. I kind of underestimated it a bit. I see now that it's 3 times a normal Lego box. So, yeah, it's going to be a long night. Where the fuck do I start? Oh my god. Guys, listen. The first box has 2 books. 2. 1, 2.
Oh, dat is één van de...
Okay guys, quick update. It's currently 4:30. I need to be honest, I kind of underestimated it, but I cannot let her be right. So I will literally do this the entire day. This, the entire mechanism of the car, took around 3.5 or 4 hours. It's currently 6:30. Ali is still here, he's making some tea. And I just finished the first box, okay? So look at this, this is the first box. It took me 5.5 hours. And now you have the people who say, I'm going to sleep, it's 6. No, motherfucker. We're going to open up the new box now. Right, Ali?
Huh?
Still going strong. Alright guys, so I'm almost done. I took a quick shower. Look at this. Almost done. And after that, it's time to go to the Ferrari store to see the real piece. But what I have is something special. I bought this one to put it above my desk. Yeah? So let me finish it up quickly. It took me 10 hours, but this is the last wheel. So for the girl in the store, if you it takes 1 week. No. 10 hours and the wizard did it. There we go, last wheel. Oh. Okay, the suspensions. And guys, as you can see, the final piece is done. Now it is there, again, above my desk, so I can work and I can get the reminder. But to get the best reminder, you need to see it in real life as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to the Ferrari dealer. We're going to check one out in real life. And then the manifesting is over. The weekend start. We have a very big podcast waiting in 2 days. So we're going to do that. And we just hit 10K on YouTube. So I'm very happy. If you're watching this, to help the channel, subscribe and like. And I will see you at the dealer. Okay, so I'm currently at the car dealer. They don't have the one that I want in the color that I want, but they have this one. And this is the model. The other model that I want, they don't have it. That's the Ferrari 488. But I was thinking about getting the 488 or the F8. And yeah, this is the one. Alright guys, so you do have them. This is the other one, the 488. Let me know in the comments which one you like more, the F8 or the 488, because it's really getting into my head. It is a degenerate car, let's be honest. Alright guys, and this is the thing what I like about life, is that you just need to make it visible for yourself. It may seem a bit strange and all of the things, but I really believe in manifesting stuff. So just becoming obsessed with it. Like at the end of the day, it's not about the Ferrari itself, but it's about all of the things that I need to do in order to actually do it. Because again, I want to make it like a goal. And for me to buy certain stuff, I need to know that okay, in this month I needed to earn it so much times before I'm actually able to buy it. So that's how I make the goal. This is the one for this business period, so I like it. And it's going to be quite a challenge. Guys, and I'm standing eye to eye now with my previous car. This one. But as everyone knows, Range Rover didn't really treat me well. So we got rid of that one. But the Ferrari is the next one. Alright, so we checked it out. To be honest, the F8 grew way more on me because it's way more comfortable and I just like the thing itself more. It's time to head home now. Guys, so tomorrow I have the podcast, as I mentioned. There's a lesson in here. Always have something when you arrive somewhere. Never ever come empty-handed. So tomorrow we're heading to the podcast with some small surprises. As everyone knows, I love Loro Piana and I love people around me to be well dressed as well. And giving someone something is always a good impression, especially because when you're looking at it, especially when you give clothing or maybe a new pen or anything, it won't be the last impression that they have of you, but every time when they see it, they will think about you. So I'm now heading towards another Ferrari dealer because there's another model that I want to check out that is a bit more practical than the other ones. So I will take you guys with me. Alright guys, so I'm currently in the showroom and forget about the F8 and the 488 because once I saw this one, I'm sold. Look at this. This is the GTC4 Lusso and this one has space for 4 people instead of for 2. This is the one, guys. This will be the one. So today is podcast day, but I took a short publicly again, and that is this one. So I took this short all the way from this blue level towards this level here. So as you guys see here, I literally said ready for round 2, as you guys can see right here on the blue level, and I shorted it all the way towards this level. As you guys can see, closed it at a 60% win. One of the lessons in here is that after every big trade, I always want to treat myself well. One of the reasons for this is because a lot of people, they always stay in the markets with way too much, in my opinion, and they never take profit. So all of the profits that they make, they put it into a new trade and they never actually pay themselves. You need to understand one thing. If someone actually trades for a living, you need to live as well. How do you do this? By making a profit structure for yourself. So for example, with X amount of the profit, I'm going to pay myself this amount every single month. So make sure that you pay yourself after trading. The podcast is in around 4 hours. So I'm just going to do some work. I'm going to do some charting. And afterwards, we're heading to there.
How's it going?
Ready?
Yeah, of course I am. Got my coffee.
You never know where your motivation is coming from. This song is a song that I always play before I'm going to do something big. So before a podcast, before just something big where I need to like man up. This is like for 6-7 years always my song.
You neglected me, you know you shouldn't have did that. They was counting me out, you know you shouldn't have did that. You didn't recognize my drive, shouldn't have did that. Now I find every day I won't get back. I just wanna be the champ for the misfits and the one that was saying I couldn't do it. I got angels all around me, yeah, yeah. I got love all around me, yeah, yeah. I'll be a fighter to the end, to my last breath. I'm a hustle to my last breath.
Guys, to end this video, I want to do a very big thanks to Wakar.
No,
He is
bro, thank you. The audience, this for me, like, wow. Thank you, bro, and a great conversation.
He is one of the most genuine podcast hosts out there. So watch his podcast and I will see you guys next week.